Hello friends, in this video I want to teach you step by step how to register and open an account on the PrimeXBT exchange through the Tradingfinder website. Open the review related to crypto exchanges and after selecting PrimeXBT, click on the Go to Website option. This will take us to the main page of the PrimeXBT exchange website, and from the Register section, the account opening page will open for us. In this section, we enter an email address that we haven't used to open an account before and choose a password that includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and must be between 8 and 50 characters. Then, we click on the Sign Up option. At this stage, a code for email verification has been sent to your registered email address. Open the inbox of your registered email address, copy the code from there, and paste it in this section. Then proceed to the next step, where you need to select your country of residence. After making your selection, click on the Continue option. Your account has now been successfully created and registered on the PrimeXBT exchange platform, and a new page will open, warmly welcoming you on behalf of the exchange. By clicking on the Get Started option, the exchange will explain the different sections of the dashboard to you. Otherwise, by clicking this option, you can close this page. We are now on the main dashboard of the PrimeXBT exchange, and in upcoming videos, we will go through how to upload documents and complete identity verification on this exchange together. Wishing you success and profitable trades.